Hi YouTube. So this might not be a helpful video, but I'm in my Roblox account and I really don't like showing my usernames. I just show you the amount of Robux I have. Okay. So I just zoom up so I don't show. Okay, I'm going to try to reset my password. Oh. Okay, update. Password was not changed. Oh, my password wasn't changed. So this is my thing. I'm just waiting for my other phone to turn on, as you can see over there, because my account needs to be verified for this. So that's the only reason why I need to reset my password and stuff. Who can message me? Everyone. Who can chat with me in app? Friends. So who can find me by my phone number? No one. Who can invite me to the VIP? You're blocking. Okay, so these are all the people I blocked. I blocked these people. So once my other phone turns on, we're going to get started. Bye.